Today, oh God, stupid. Okay. I forgot. I don't have a tie. Today, I am going to tell you about some mistakes about fake alien photos. Oh, aliens! I seen the aliens are fake. You hear me? Huh? As you can see here, we have. You can see. Have these things, stupid red. Look, those are not aliens. Okay, they're just white rocks that look like aliens because of the shadow. As you can see, that's the shadow. This is just a stupid white sunlight. Damn it! I'm not a racist. Sorry about that. Second picture. This guy really is an awesome guy. I hope he doesn't scold me if he sees how I made fun to his videos. Photos, I meant. So look, another white rock, all the same. Oh, come on, this is definitely fake. This is so fake. Now, let's see what we have here. Wow. Really? Never mind. I know that's just a joke. So, you know what? Hey, look, E.T. E.T. Whatever. Now let's search up aliens caught on tape. Huh? Caught on tape, eh? Wow. You really expect me to believe this, right? Do you? No, dude. That's... Wow, you really expect me to believe that? That can be a human, man. It's impossible. It can be an animal or human. Aliens? No. Oh, come on. What? Tell me. Just tell me. Why do all aliens... Okay, dude. As you can see here, when were the movie Aliens invented? Like really long ago, I don't know when. But by that time, they already finished like alien animations far before they found out real aliens. And alien animations, they all look. Oh, damn it! They all look like this, as you can see here. Okay. Alien animations. Look, why must they all have stupid bug eyes with damn noses and small mouth with a aerodynamic chin? That's impossible, man. Okay, here. These people are trying to trick you. You do not follow them. And do not even... What was I supposed to... Oh, yes, do not subscribe for alien punks. First, there's no such thing as mermaids. Yes, actually, there's such thing as mermaids, so... Yeah. Oh, I got a double chin. Whatever. So, bye. Now you know. Aliens, for now, just for now, are not real. Not real. Do you hear me? You do? You better do! Bye. Here. Subscribe.